Success doesn't just find you. You have to go out and get it. To succeed in life, you need two things: ignorance and confidence. Success is most often achieved by those who don't know that failure is inevitable. Courage is grace under pressure. Success does not come from the physical capacity. It comes from the indomitable will. Don't stop when you are tired. Stop when you are done. Wake up with determination. Go to bed with satisfaction. It is never too late to be what you might have been. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. %80 of success is showing up. Failure is just the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. The key to success is to focus on goals, not obstacles. Believe you can, and you are halfway there. When love and skill work together, expect a masterpiece. Love is what we make it. Always has been, always will be. The best revenge is massive success. If my mind can conceive it and my heart can believe it, then I can achieve it. Sometimes later becomes never, so do it now. I walk slowly but never backwards. Little things make big days. Things work out best for those who make the best of how things work out. Life is not measured by the number of breaths we take, but by the moments that take our breath away. Life is 10% what happens and 90% of how you react to it. Never mind what others do. Do better than yourself. Beat down your own record from day to day, and you are a success. Faith is taking the first step even when you don't see the whole staircase. It's going to be hard, but hard does not mean impossible. The path to success is to take massive determined action. Once you choose hope, anything is possible. Success is simple. Do what's right, the right way, at the right time. There are no mistakes, only opportunities. Don't wait for opportunity, create it. A strong positive self-image is the best possible preparation for success. Success is not a result of spontaneous combustion. You must set yourself on fire. Dream it, believe it, build it. Success is falling 9 times and getting up 10. I attribute my success to this. I never took nor gave any excuses. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Failure is another stepping stone to greatness. The harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree long time back. Great things never come from comfort zones. Dream it, wish it, do it. Success is walking from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm. Successful people do what unsuccessful people are not willing to do. Don't wish it were easier. Wish you were better. You can't give up. When you give up, you are like everybody else. Your limitation is only your imagination. Successful people are simply those with successful habits. Sometimes you can't see yourself clearly until you see yourself through the eyes of others. A pessimist is one who makes difficulties of his opportunities, and an optimist is the one who makes opportunities of his difficulties. I never dreamed about success. I worked for it. It often requires more courage to dare to do right than to fear to do wrong. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. If you want to achieve excellence, you can get there today. As of this second, quit doing less than excellent work. Do one thing every day that scares you. The only place where success comes before work is in the dictionary. Don't cry because it's over. Smile because it happened. To be successful, you must accept all the challenges that come your way. You can't just accept the ones you like. If you are not willing to risk the usual, you will have to settle for the ordinary. Try not to become the person of success, but rather try to become the person of value. Keep your face always towards the sunshine, and shadows will fall behind you. Be patient with yourself. Self-growth is tender. It's holy ground. There is no greater investment. You can't please everyone, and you can't make everyone like you. There are two types of people who will tell you that you cannot make a difference in this world. Those who are afraid to try and those who are afraid of your success. If your action inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more and become more, you are a leader. Don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great. Do one thing every day that scares you. Many of the life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. Life is short and it is here to be lived. You must trust the small voice inside you which tells you exactly what to say, what to decide. If you want to make a permanent change, stop focusing on the size of your problems and start focusing on the size of you. Sometimes we are tested not to show our weaknesses, but to discover our strengths. May you live every day of your life. Whether you think you can or think you can't, you are right. Everyone thinks of changing the world, but no one thinks of changing himself. The biggest risk is not to taking any risk. In a world that's changing really quickly, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risks. When you cease to dream, you cease to live. Whenever you see a successful person, you only see the public glories, never the private sacrifices to reach them. When you want something, all the universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. As you grow older, you will discover that you have two hands, one for helping yourself and other for helping others. The more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is a life to celebrate. I believe every human has finite number of heartbeats. I don't intend to waste any of mine. We become what we think about the most of the time, and that's the greatest secret. Rarely have I seen a situation where doing less than the other guy is a good strategy. It is never too late to be what you might have been. I avoid looking forward or backward and try to keep looking upward. We become what we think about most of the time, and that's the strangest secret. If you always do what interests you, at least one person is pleased. If you love what you do and are willing to do what it takes, it's within your reach. To be successful, you must accept all challenges that come your way. You can't just accept the ones you like. I don't want to get to the end of my life and find that I lived just the length of it. I want to have lived the width of it as well. The successful warrior is the average man with the laser-like focus. The difference between successful person and others is not a lack of strength, not a lack of knowledge, but rather a lack of will. Success seems to be largely a matter of hanging on after others have let go. Dream bigger, do bigger. Winning is not everything, but wanting to win is. Flaming enthusiasm, backed up by the horse sense and persistence, is the quality that most frequently makes for success. As we look ahead into the next century, leaders will be those who empower others. Develop success from failures. Discouragement and failure are two surest stepping stones to success. In my experience, there is only one motivation, and that is desire. No reasons or principle contain it or stand against it. Action is the foundational key to all success. Live like no else today, so you can live like no else tomorrow. The ladder of success is best climbed by stepping on the rugs of opportunity. It is not in the stars to hold our destiny, but in ourselves. It's good to be nice, but it's more important to be right. Success is a science. If you have the conditions, you get the results. Frustration, although quite painful at times, is a very positive and essential part of success. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers the fear. Success comes from knowing that you did your best to become the best that you are capable of becoming. The secret of happiness, you see, is not found in seeking more, but in developing the capacity to enjoy less. To improve is to change. To be perfect is to change often. We can't solve problems by using same kind of thinking we used when we created them. One secret of success in life is for a man to be ready for his opportunity when it comes. Always keep your eyes open. Keep watching, because whatever you see can inspire you. Change before you have to. It is not the strongest of the species that survive, nor the most intelligent, but the one most responsive to change. Yesterday's home runs don't win today's games. The secret of your success is determined by your daily agenda. The problem with the rat race is that even if you win, you are still a rat. I just want to put a ding in the universe. We can't help everyone, but everyone can help someone. It is better to offer no excuse than a bad one. People who are unable to motivate themselves must be content with the mediocrity, no matter how impressive their other talents. There is no shortage of the remarkable ideas. What's missing is the will to execute them. A man must be big enough to admit his mistakes, smart enough to profit from them, and strong enough to correct them. Your positive action combined with the positive thinking results in success. Happiness doesn't depend on any external conditions. It is governed by your mental attitude. Faith is taking the first step even when you don't see the whole staircase. Success is doing ordinary things extraordinary well. Business opportunities are like buses. There is always another one coming. Do not anxious about tomorrow, for tomorrow will be anxious for itself. Let the day's own trouble be sufficient for the day. In order to be irreplaceable, one must always be different. Some people dream of success while other people get up every morning and make it happen. The way I see it, if you want the rainbow, you gotta put up with the rain. The longer I live, the more beautiful life becomes. If you are going through the hell, keep going. When I let go of what I am, I became what I might be. Don't worry about failure. You only have to be right once. Nothing great was ever achieved without enthusiasm. The key to success is to focus our conscious mind on things we desire, not things we fear. One of the greatest diseases is to be nobody to anybody. Don't count the days, make the days count. Everything you can imagine is real. We are all self-made, but only successful people admit it. Boundaries are to protect life, not to limit pleasures. Successful people recognize crisis as the time for change, from lesser to greater, smaller to bigger. Self-belief and hard work will always earn you success. I believe any success in life is made by going into an area with a blind, furious optimism. Don't aim for success if you want it. Just do what you love and believe in, and it will come naturally. 70% of success in life is showing up. The secret of our success is that we never give up. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Failure is not fatal, but failure to change might be. They succeed because they think they can. Without continual growth and progress, such words as improvement, achievement, and success have no meaning. Whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority, it is time to pause and reflect. Don't worry about failures. Worry about chances you miss when you don't even try. It is hard to fail, but it is worse never to have tried to succeed. If you learn from defeat, you haven't really lost. Mistakes are the portals of discovery. The road to success is always under construction. Before everything else, getting ready is the secret to success.